Okay, we are here. And she had 4 puppies. Maybe a 5th one on the way, but I don't know. We'll have to watch and see. You could hear the puppies. You could actually see them. If we... I can't really. They're only like little black balls.
I'm making you mad, aren't I?
And there.
There he is. There's one.
Yeah.
He's pushing on his... Hey, what was that about? Because he's pushing on your face.
Yeah. So she's licking them. She loves them.
One's going head first. Hey.
Well, come on, what are you doing?
Trying to dig him out. He's going head first into the pile. What are you doing?
Put him back in the corner, I think.
I can't get this one out. He's got his head stuck among his buddies.
And now she's licking them all.
Oh, that's his butt.
Mm-hmm.
Must you lick his butthole? Hey, I'm trying to get him out. Okay. Move your head so I can see.
But trust me, there's 4 puppies there.
Yeah.
And
Can't get at any of them.
she gets busy licking.
And won't give up.
And she won't give up.
Alright, enough.
Is there more in her? Well, we're not sure. We'll see in a little bit.
Come here.
Thanks for watching.
Enough. God. I'm trying to get him out from under you.
Alright.
He was sleeping.